Hi, it's Brenda, and believe it or not, Addie will not be in this video. Surprise, surprise. I have an announcement to make. An exciting, well, exciting for me announcement. A little scary announcement. Scary for me. Hi, welcome to my channel, My New Me, where you get to watch as I try to make sense out of the chaos that has become my life and my home. How lucky are you? Many, many moons ago, my parents, the boy and I, were blessed with a wonderful gift, a gift that lasted for years and years and years to come. When we decided to combine households, we moved into a much larger house in a new neighborhood so that we could all fit comfortably. And in this house, we were adopted by the neighborhood stray. She invaded our home, our lives, and our hearts, and we flourished under her dominance. She ruled our universe very well. And no, she isn't the announcement I'm going to make, but she is what prompted the reason for the announcement. I have written a book. It's a short story, but it is a book, and I've self-published it on Amazon. The book is titled Maddys Tail. And here's the cover of the book. I actually did that cover all on my lonesome. It was interesting and challenging, but I did learn some new tricks. It's Maddys Tail, and I made my author name Brenda NewMe. And it's a short story. It's fictional, but it is based on a lot of real events in her life with some twists and turns, and I'll let you figure out what was real and what wasn't. It was fun. I had actually written this book several years ago and tried to self-publish it on Amazon, and then hated it and took it down. And the past few months I have been rewriting and rewriting it, and then I rewrote the rewrite and then hated it, and then unwrote the rewrite, and then kind of went back to the original, and just I really don't remember what the original was now at this point, but I think I ended up just prettying up the original. I guess I'm my own worst critic. I'm thinking I may have made the whole process a little more complicated than it needed to be. But I think I'm happy with the final results now. For now. And I hope you enjoy it as well. All of that being said, I am offering the book for free on Christmas Day to all of you wonderful folks. You have been so kind, so patient, so tolerant of all of my quirks and mistakes and the ups and downs, so understanding. And I just wanted to be able to give you a thank you and give back some of the joy and happiness I hope that you've given to us, if you enjoy it enough to call it joy and happiness. I hope you do. But so for Addie knows she's not in the video, and now she's right in my face. She knows. No one can tell me she doesn't know. So I am pre-scheduling this video to go live at 11:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on Christmas Eve, December 24th. The link to the book is in the description box below. The free promotion period begins at 12 a.m. midnight, December 25th, and ends at 11:59 p.m. December 25th. So I'm hoping that you guys will have time throughout your day on Christmas Day to download it, and you'll be able to enjoy it, I hope. I did try to narrate it myself. I spent probably a month trying to learn different softwares to do that and learn how to do it, and I couldn't get it. It's beyond my ability to comprehend. And I finally just gave up. So it is an ebook. It's an Amazon Kindle ebook. For those of you who are vision impaired, Brenda Stewart, you always pop right to the front of my mind. It is text-to-speech enabled, so you can listen to the little robot voice read it to you. It's not too bad once you get used to it. So it is an Amazon Kindle ebook. If you do not have a Kindle, you can still access it. Amazon has a free Kindle app. If you go to their site. I'll try to find that and link it below too. But it's perfectly free, and you can get Kindle books on that and read it on your phone or tablet or laptop or whatever device you have. So hopefully everyone will have access. Everyone that wants access to it will have access to it. So from 12 a.m. midnight Christmas Eve into Christmas morning until 11:59 p.m. Christmas night, the book is free as a gift from us to you, and a huge thank you. Now, these times are all Pacific Standard Time. That's mainly because that's what Amazon goes with, so that's what I had to use. After Christmas Day, the book will stay published, and the price will be $2.99 if you're interested and if you miss Christmas Day. I do hope you enjoy it. I hope each and every one of you have a wonderful holiday filled with as many heartfelt smiles as possible. From Addie, Josh, and I, to you and all of yours, please have a wonderful Christmas and a happy life. Take care and toodles.